So today we're cooking Caveman steaks directly on the coal. The intense heat creates a really nice flavour. First thing to do is light the coals, get the barbecue warmed up. Now the coals are warm, we'll put an onion on, just nice caramelised onion. So we've got the steaks, we'll pat them dry first. Just gonna season them, just a bit of salt and pepper. Keep it simple. So the onion's cooked, the coals are up to temperature. I'm just going to give the steaks another pat dry and put them on. We've just taken the steaks off. Obviously we need to let them rest for about 10 minutes or so. While we're doing that, we will take all of this charred nastiness off the onion, chop it in half, put some butter on it. Meat's all rested. Let's slice it up and see how it looks. Hot. There we have it. Dirty Caveman steaks. Pretty damn tasty.